Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you're looking to ditch your big RV, get a toy hauler, something that's going to get off-road, take you a little bit further, and have some simplicity in your life but fun, that's exactly what these units are set up for. These are our Colorado off-road trailers. They're exclusive to us. We make them, we ship them, and we love these units. This one is in a 7x18 V-nose. Everybody asks us about the V-nose, so we built one so you guys can see what it is, see the differences, and a lot of people are going to love this feature. This one is in a gorgeous silver blackout. This is our thicker 040 silver. It's metallic platinum. It's a gorgeous color in person. You do have all that nice diamond plate rock guard along the front, the V-nose guard, the corner guard as well. This one's stock number 15437. Now with this V-nose, it eliminates what we can do on the tongue. So you're not going to get your generator box and platform, but a lot of people want to do their own thing there anyway. So here it is. You do still get the side swivel jack, the removable front coupler for anti-theft and articulating hitches down the road. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar. You do have a pull-out step as well. These trailers sit up tall. They have about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. They're about 6-7 inches taller than your standard trailer, and that's just truly to get you guys off-road and be able to go a little bit further. Now it does have the RV lock and cam bar on that side door, so you've got double lock protection, exterior GFI outlet right there, and then here's your awesome 2,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, 32-inch Mudterrain tires, and a black American racing wheel. These are set up again to give you guys a lot of good tire underneath your trailer, so again you guys can get off-road, get farther back in the woods and do your thing. Now we do have two party lights off the side, so you've got some exterior light here, and then we also have the all aluminum roof rack with ladder. That's going to give you guys some additional storage up there on top. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back, rear ramp door of course with the spring assist closed, so you can load and unload your toys in and out of here, and then you also have spotlights off of the back here as well, so you can have some load light at night. 7-foot interior height. And again, this one's a 7x18, so it's going to be 18 feet from the tip of the V to the back of this ramp door. Now, most RZR's UTVs side-by-sides fit in here, no problem. They're plenty tall, plenty wide. We do have some videos on YouTube if you guys want to see spatially how those fit. 4 D-rings in the floor, so you got tie-down points, and then we run the awesome performance Nudo floor with Maxx. This is one of the most durable floors we can stick in a trailer, which is why we use it. We have torn up many floors ourselves personally and finally found something that works and is going to last. Now, again, we've got insulated walls and ceiling in here with a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, so it's nice and bright, easy to take care of and keep clean. 2 windows. These are a slider window. They're tinted, they're lockable. They do have a screen, so good versatility there. And then you guys can see you also have an overhead Maxx Air roof vent, so you've got some additional storage or additional ventilation. Sorry about that. Now 6 LED interior puck lights. You guys can see there's 3 of these guys on each of the walls. These are awesome because they're going to be ran right here off this battery. So this battery, with your battery box and battery charger, it's going to, again, run your puck lights. It's going to run the spotlights off the back. It's going to also run those party lights, which is great. Normally, you need to be plugged into a vehicle or a generator to have any light on at all, and that eliminates that problem for you guys. Now, you also have 30 amp service right there. That's that box, that cord. You take that cord, run it out to a generator, plug it into a campground or an extension cord, and that's going to power up your 4 interior outlets, your 1 exterior GFI outlet. It's also going to bring power into your 4-foot LED lights across the ceiling, so if you guys need a lot of light in here, you're going to have it. And it's also going to run your AC unit with a heat strip, so you guys can heat and cool these trailers as well, which is another great feature. Now, of course, you do have light switches for everything, so if you just want to have on one nice little reading light at night, or you need a lot of light on because you're trying to work on something, you do have that option. And then there's the back side of that door with the RV lock. It gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys, so you guys can lock yourself in, make yourself safe, and do your thing. So 3-year factory warranty. This unit weighs 3,800 pounds. It's going to give you a 3,200-pound payload capacity, and again, we're the exclusive home of the Colorado off-road trailer. If you guys don't live near us or you don't want to make the road trip to Colorado, call us. We ship these trailers all over all the time. We've got a great transporter with very reasonable rates, so we can get you a shipping quote, and you guys can view all of our inventory right online, plus purchase our trailers right online, because we like to make buying trailers easy, not a complicated process, at getmytrailer.com. Again, it's getmytrailer.com. You can go right there again and see everything. And as always, give us a call with questions. 303-688-8485. Again, we're located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado, and we would love to earn your business. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube.